because the boss looked like a stove, and then when he dies, he could drop the helmet, and then I wore it for a very long time. Believe it or not, though, if you look at, she's not going to go into the armor, so I'm going to do that. Now, given the heater shields are pretty bad, because of course they're too thin, and then this, I'm not saying that heater shields would have been extremely thick, not at all, but this looks very cheaply made, unfortunately, and of course it's not properly covered in parchment and then gessoed. But regardless, the male coif is actually pretty good. I mean, look, it covers all the way up to his chin. Now, His Majesty, yeah, I mean, not great. But at least this guy, it kind of looks like it fits him, which, believe it or not, doesn't really happen. This helmet here is also pretty bad. It's like a mixture between an early pot helm and a barbute, I suppose. But
there's always a wyvern.
It's funny.
There's always a dragon. There's always like some guy who's going to come and give you a nice little nip.
The bunny's actually found in medieval literature as they're all over the place. Holy moly.
And it's like interesting what are dangerous creatures in the medieval period that we don't realize now. So for example, unicorns are monsters. Like unicorns aren't nice little horses that have like one horn.
Oh, just like Oblivion. That one was a monster. Goodness gracious, that if you know, you know. I don't need to explain it.
They are a goat mixed with a lion, and the only people that can tame them are virgins. So like they are bloodthirsty and will kill you. And now we're like, yay, My Little Pony about it. And like that's not how it was at the time. So you would be shocked at what we think is cute and cuddly. What they're like, that is a bloodthirsty monster. Now, in this particular case, maybe not so much though.
Yeah. I gotta find it. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Look at this. Yeah, the killer rabbits are a thing. So it's not like they came up with it. It's for the movie. It's a thing. Look at them. They are all over the place. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, the killer rabbits are great. Look at this. Kind of makes me want to play Root. This one even has a helmet and it's painted. I've got the board game Root. It's pretty good. I should play it one of these nights. If you didn't know, good luck getting lost in this rabbit hole. Oh, rabbit hole. There you go. Yeah, that was a good one and unintentional.
Killer bunny rabbit. I love this little bunny rabbit. We see an art trope all the time in the medieval period of rabbits doing wild stuff. And in particular, you see rabbits that are killing people, and we don't know why, right? So we'll have all these manuscripts that have...
It's possible that it's because it's funny, to be honest, but who knows?
Little doodles where there is like a rabbit who's hunting a man, killing a man, rabbits having sword fights with each other, rabbits with battle axes.
Oh, that was a rabbit versus a dog.
Is cutting people's heads off, and we don't really know what it's about. Sometimes we're like, baby, is this an allegory? Like, is this like some way of like a thinking about Jesus, which, you know, they love to do? And they might be, and we just kind of haven't figured it out yet. Or it might just be like a joke in the same way that the killer bunny rabbit here is a joke, where it's like, it's funny. The idea that like rabbits could kill people because obviously they're like cute and tiny and little and cuddly. But
you know, I like both. I like to think of both, because if you think about it, on one hand, if they thought it was really funny, then they think like us, which in a way kind of creates a connection, isn't it? Like a medieval person would find the movie funny. If they watched that scene, they would love it. And in fact, they would feel like, yeah, they would understand a sense of humor. But on the other hand, I also like the idea that, no, there is something behind this, and who knows what it is. Is this some kind of connection with black magic? Is that something they thought? Some legends that we have lost? Like, there might be something else. And I think I kind of like both. But maybe the latter a bit more than the first.
But you do have a trope of bringing out a bunny as a killer object. And we just haven't figured it out yet. It's either a joke that we can't quite parse, or it's got more meaning. I like to kind of think that it's just a joke. Like, it's a joke in the same way that this is. You know, the reason why it works and the reason why you include it and the reason why it's funny is that it's ironic, because a bunny wouldn't kill you. And that's a really maybe surface level way of relating to it, and there might be some deeper code, but fundamentally it works, and it is funny. That's what this scene proves. Dang it, we're not so different after all.
Exactly, yeah, I like that.